channel. It's your girl Key Royalty. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, still welcome back to my channel. So as I can see by the title here, today's video is gonna be get ready with me for my doctor's appointment. It's currently 1 something. It's after 1 in the morning a.m. So I'm up so late because I cannot sleep. Say okay, I'm going to shoot this video. My appointment is 10 a.m. This part of the video, I'm just gonna do my hair. So when I wake up 7 in the morning, I don't have to do my hair. I don't have to do all of that. What I do is just shower, brush my teeth, because I want to get through early. Remember, if you like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the ads, share it up with a friend, continue me on my journey. I am currently 26 weeks. And she is getting there day by day, week by week, and month by month. Yeah, let's set this bunny off my head. Yeah, I am gonna slim it. What the hell? I'm gonna simple do a little back, catch up, and tie it down. Take it to flat iron like a little piece right here. By later down, it's gonna pull up. So I'm gonna do it back in the morning. So let's watch me do my hair. So this is the part I'm going to part into so I can flat iron down like this, and then I'm going to catch up the rest. I'm going to use this to catch up my hair. I'm gonna catch up my hair and come back and show you how it looks. So y'all, I finished doing my hair. Yeah. My edges is on fleek. My little ketchup is on fleek. I said I'm gonna go natural this time to the clinic because yeah. I got my hairstyle done. What are you talking about? Like period. I got my hairstyle done. I feel like comment, share, subscribe. I don't need to keep on telling y'all. Goal is to reach 10k subscribers by December for baby K. So right now, I'm going to bed and brush my teeth. So hey guys, me reach a clinic. Anyways, I'm not gonna be shy. I'm a do shy. I get number B71. Jesus, amount of people there. I think I'm gonna get through. You know, I end up wake up late today. My sister wake me up because I wake up more to eat. Right now, I'm just gonna get my pee pick up because I forgot to say we're supposed to bring one or something. Them say people are thief container, if that makes sense. But go for my pee pick up and get something to eat. Show y'all the others. Show y'all the others. Okay, so I name just called. Maybe for the doctor now. I just sit down and eat something. Beat up coffee, drink one bucket of water. Eat one chocolate chip cookie and one mix something. And this 2 months I need back my change from Axe. Can't find later to give back my change. But yes guys, I'm not like make sure you subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna get through the video because they say I can't video or whatever. But you know, it's fine sure. But anyways, I'm gonna get through my prescription, myself, and all. Let's see how my record look already because so everything looks good. Let me show you all. So basically this was the ultrasound I did. That this is the last ultrasound, so I have a next ultrasound to do. I'm going to do that ultrasound. Everything good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go back to the man for the ultrasound paper. So yeah. Okay, so right now I get through everything. I'm going to collect my medication. I got an ultrasound paper to do our next ultrasound basically. Also I'm going to go over my grandma and I'm gonna buy up some stuff. So basically that's it. Well basically that's not it because I'm not going to end the video right here because I can't see rain look like it go far but like not. Oh, now the rain look like it go fall, look like it go start back because rain just don't fall. Yeah, rain just don't fall. Yeah, and I don't want rain catch me, so I'm gonna hurry up. So this is what I got to collect my medication, guys. Alright, now I'm in the place to collect medication. Right now I'm tired. We'll walk go down. So right now I'm away from my name for car. I'm opening those start back because I can't bother with that. It's home. I tell him say one piece of drama. He said when I come home, I drive on an abandoned road. I must say, Jesus, Pete, you know how long time I'm supposed to come home right now? It's 6:30. I'm supposed to reach home after 5. I will write up the map give this abandoned road, guys. Like it was so traumatized because I said Jesus, I'm home nothing wrong with me. And the driver like come the book in driver. And like he's a nice person. I went there we see one truck. I say we see one truck when abandoned. I say Jesus Christ, but we see the truck, guys. One man a drive it. You want to see how I lock my something they do a quick him like few more times. So I'm gonna drive a car. Reach home safe. Client, even my client. Am I a chopper? No, girl. My clinic date was so good. I got my medications that I'm supposed to get, like my iron pills and stuff like that. To make the year, it is then still live. Baby K, she's okay. Mama loves you. Guys, thank you for watching my video so much. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. This video is a little get ready with me for my appointment. Nothing extra, nothing bold, but the extra and the bold videos are coming up very soon. Probably do a video with my sister, so I can see her. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next video.